Hi there, this is little bunny Tommy. Just like you, he has a bedtime routine to help him feel calm, cozy, and ready for sleep. Let's follow along. Every night, Tommy knows it's time to rest. Sleep helps his body grow strong and his mind feel happy. First, Tommy picks up his toys. A clean room helps him feel calm before bed. Then Tommy takes a warm bath. It helps his body relax and feel fresh. After his bath, Tommy puts on his soft pajamas. He loves how snuggly they feel. Next, Tommy brushes his teeth. He makes sure to brush every single one. Sometimes Tommy reads a story with Mama Bunny. It helps him feel safe and loved. When it's time, Tommy turns off the light and climbs into bed. He cuddles his favorite blanket. Little bunny, Tommy followed his bedtime routine step by step. Now he's tucked in, feeling calm, safe, and ready to rest. Tommy sleeps well and wakes up ready for a brand new day. Just like Tommy, you can feel cozy and calm when you follow your own bedtime routine. Good night, little one. Sleep tight and sweet dreams.